I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can autoplay the piano on Roblox. Now, there's a couple of very common methods that you can follow. The most common one being using auto hotkey to set it up, but you do need to be able to use scripts, and the program is pretty primitive in my opinion. So usually I use another program called MIDI++. Now you can get MIDI++ from this website here, sepec.github.io, and then this URL. Now, if you want to download MIDI Plus, just click on this big blue download button, download now, and then it'll redirect you onto their GitHub repository. Just scroll down, and you want to find this one, the final zip here. Now, just click on that and wait for it to download just like that. After that, you may install the program. I do have the program installed here. I'm gonna go to the search bar and I'm gonna type in MIDI++, and I'm gonna open MIDI++ just like this. Now I'm gonna show you the quick way you can actually use this. Let me first open up Roblox. Now once on Roblox, I'm on a game where I can use the piano, right? I'm gonna go to the piano here, and you can see I can press it, right? I can press it with here. But of course, to automate it, we can first go to the automation program here, go to MIDI++, and then just click on play/pause. Click on that. Now let's go back to Roblox. Now you can see I'm not touching it. I'm not touching the computer. I'm not touching my keyboard. And you can see it's playing automatically just like that. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.